You can also install the mechanical interlock of the BF series contactors with currents starting from 160A at AC3 rating or from 250A at AC1 in a vertical configuration using this accessory kit. To mount it, first make sure the contactors are perfectly aligned. Take care and measure to check that the distance between the contactors is correct in relation to the size of the rod. This must be done in a precise way. Once the contactors are fixed in place, remove the side covers with a flat-bladed screwdriver. Now you can house the interlocks in the seat on the side, making sure the sliders are facing downwards. Then tighten the screws to 1.2 Newton meters. Now you can take the two rods and connect them together with the adjustment nut. Caution, the two threads are different, right and left hand threads, so the thread turns in opposite directions. Once screwed in most of the way, equally on both sides, you can mount them to create the interlock. When you've screwed the shaft in place with the screws, line up the references on the outside with those on the sliders, like this. Now adjust the center nut, like this, to make the connection tight. Then tighten the rod screws to 1.2 Newton meters. Finally, tighten also the adjuster nut, using small wrenches. That's it. Enjoy your work.